Hello, traders! Welcome back to the channel where we decode the stock market with clean and simple analysis. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer. This content is purely educational. I'm not a SEBI-registered advisor, and nothing here should be considered financial advice. Today, let's take a look at the market analysis for Nifty 50 and explore what might unfold in today's session. Starting with the daily chart, we can observe that Nifty 50 has been moving sideways for the last 2 days. This price action suggests that sellers are active around the 25,150 to 25,200 zone, while strong buyers are stepping in at 25,050 to 25,075. Let's move deeper into the 15-minute chart to understand the intraday structure better. Yesterday, the market opened at 25,200, attempted a move up, but faced selling pressure and took a pullback. Buyers didn't show enough strength for a breakout, and the day ended near 25,100. So, what can we expect today? If the market opens with a gap up above 25,190 and sustains above that level, we can expect an upside move toward 25,225 and possibly 25,300 after a mild pullback near 25,150. On the other hand, if the market opens flat, and if any candle closes below 25,025, that could be a signal of short-term weakness. In that case, Nifty may drop to around 24,950, where more buyers could emerge, possibly triggering a bounce back up toward 25,250. And now, let's discuss the worst-case scenario. If the market breaks below 24,900, then the next major support lies at 24,600. This kind of fall might happen only if there's some unexpected negative news. Otherwise, the overall trend remains bullish. To sum it up, sellers active near 25,150 to 25,200, buyers holding strong near 25,050 to 25,075 upside targets, 25,225 to 25,300 breakdown support, 24,950, 24,600. Let's see how the market reacts. And always remember, follow price action and manage your risk. If you found this analysis helpful, do like, share, and subscribe for daily market updates and intraday trading strategies. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!